He's from the University of West Florida, USA.
Yeah.
And we will talk about economics in game theory for hostel hotel plan.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Thank you for coming today, and I will ask the first question. I asked the coordinator that what time is it right now? What time is it right now?
It's 2:05.
2:05. Okay. I have how many minutes?
20.
20 minutes. So 2:25. Okay, and done. Maybe.
No,
2:25. This is 2:05 right now.
Yeah.
And I have 20 minutes. Right?
So it's 2:25.
2:25, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
I will control my time. Thank you. So first of all, maybe I change a little bit the situation. Usually we heard the question at the end, but I want to know about your question at the beginning. So do you see that my presentation? 3 things: economics, game theory, unemployment. Okay. My question to the coordinator first. My question to the coordinator first. What do you think? What do you expect when I talk about economics? What do you expect? Question first.
The revenue of people.
The revenue of people. Okay. How about the game theory? What do you expect from me? Question first. Game theory. Anyone? Please just ask one question.
Some statistics.
Statistics? Okay. Statistics. Unemployment. What do you expect? Please. Any question? Any question?
How to increase unemployment?
Unemployment? Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to know.
Yeah. I
just
invite.
need to know how can be achieved that unemployment how can it be solved?
How can we control the unemployment? Thank you.
What is the secret? What is the theory?
What is the theory? Unemployment. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. So you heard that? At least we have a 3 question. 3 question first, and I hope that at the end of my presentation or before we leave tomorrow, you still remember my something in my presentation. So that's what I was. Thank you for asking. And just let you know that the first, the unemployment theory of unemployment. Very good question. You know, Nobel Prize, Nobel laureate in economics. It start the first Nobel laureate is 1901, but after how many years? Start with economics. Nobel Prize is 1969, and they talk about labor unemployment. 1987 with the Solow, the first got the Nobel Prize about labor. After 30 years, 2018, Roma talk about labor again, but he used the term labor as they call a little bit call not and use another variable they call endogable. So that's what the one topic, but 2 Nobel Prize. Solow, and after 30 years, Roma, 2018. And my presentation today is about to support Roma, 2018, about labor as a endogenous variable. Okay, so yes, let me know. Yeah.
To what Nobel Prize?
Nobel Prize. yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So again, my name is XuanTran, professor, University of West Florida, original from Vietnam. Okay. First of all, game theory. They talk about the game theory about how people react rational and under uncertainty, but nobody talk about game theory in hotel unemployment. So that's what. This is my paper published in Anatolia, and this is the conference invited me to present it. Okay. And here, this is some of the economics answer your question. answer your question, economics. This is the history of economics. Adam Smith, economics, father of economics. And then from England, okay? And then after that, they call classical. And after that, we have another, they call Ricardo, and 1817. And after Ricardo, we have Marshall. And again, why I bring all of the economics right here, related to one word, labor. Okay, labor and game theory. Okay, that's what labor, and 1930, labor, can. And then we have Russia right here, Germany right here, game theory. Okay, so I will talk about the concept labor with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scholars like this. So first of all, what is Adam Smith talk about labor? We are here, teacher, professor, but there is one thing Adam Smith forecast. This is unique. You need to be specialized, okay? Specialization in labor has caused greater increase in production than any other factor. He found it from the beginning. If you don't have anything special, anything unique in labor, you got fired, okay? Yeah, you, in order to get high, you need to have specialized, Adam Smith. And after that, what is happening? Ricardo, he said that, no, not enough. Unique is not enough. What is else? Excellent. Because different country, they use a different capacity, so the price is different. So number 2 concept with the labor is excellent. You need to be competitive. That's what Ricardo. And then come to Marshall. Marshall, he said that no, it's not unique, it's not excellent. I think maybe time. What do you mean by time? Time, that means that every time when you work, you think that additional hour, there will be additional value. That's what he used the word elasticity, Marshall. Okay, he used the word elasticity, that means the price elasticity of demand, that means that when you produce one more product, must be additional value. Then you can get high. If not, no. Okay, this is related to unemployment. The Marshall is it. But after Marshall, what is Slutsky? Slutsky is a Russian economic. He think that, okay, so if the people around here, when they talk about the additional value, why? Why they need additional values? Is there anything behind that? Slutsky said that yes. Not only you work, but only you love something, but only you have something they call income, additional. So he split the word price into the word price effect into 2 things: substitute effect and income effect. So everything, for example, today, if you are here and you say that, hey, I have time and everything, I spend it here, this is my motivation, my interest. Slutsky said, no, not enough. This is because your income. So the income behind it, Slutsky. And in order to confirm about this, Ken, 1930, he's the economics in the America that he saved all the crisis, 1930, by one thing. Hey, the income from Slutsky, now the government need to add the income in order to the people spend. Otherwise, you cannot save the economy, no money, no thing. How can I buy this? So Ken said that no, government support it. Support the additional income for the people, and he saved all the economics. It is from the ideas Slutsky and Ken to you. How about Newman? Newman is German. He said, how can you know about the people income? And no, I just talk about people, they always have a rationale. Rationale, that means, hey, if I have a benefit, then you take it. So he thinks that everything we see here, game theory. So he starts with something right here. Something right here. And I will talk about this because I use after COVID-19, I use the information from Smith Travel Research, the largest statistic in the United States. He collects all the information about tourism, and then he bring back to the conclusion that, hey, Hawaii is the one right here. This is the information right here. Information on the hotel, on the room here from the United States, from the luxury, non-luxury, something like this. But Hawaii, why is Hawaii here? Hawaii is the price is the highest after COVID-19. So that's what I want to do, Hawaii. My question is, if we compare Hawaii with the rest of America and bring it to the game theory, what happened? Whether the price in Hawaii will be high or the price in the rest of America will be high in terms of the hotel, That's what the question. So I bring all of the information into the game theory. Okay, and then what happened? This is the reason. And when I see this one, I come up with unemployment. ADR, I'm sorry, I use some of the word. ADR, just average daily rate. I mean the revenue per day. You can get it when you have a hotel. Occupancy, people stay in your hotel, and how many percent. Why this is because it's related to unemployment. So I add it all together, and you can see that the graph like this. So I assume my hypothesis is, hey, maybe the ADR occupancy related to unemployment. Okay, so this is game theory. So if it is related, what is game theory? What is Newman? They talk about this. If you look at this, this is they call price elasticity. ADR, again, ADR, average daily rate, that I revenue here. If they increase the price, mainland US increase the price, what happened to the index right here? If ADR increase the price, Hawaii increase the price, and the other decrease the price, what happened right here? And if the ADR decrease the price, this is increase the price, what happened? And then what happened right here? The main point of game theory is try to find the mutual benefit to make both Hawaii and all the United States together maximize. Okay, so that's what the key takeaway, and they call Nash equilibrium. And if you look at here, you can see the Nash equilibrium is right here. If you're familiar with game theory, something like this, because it's higher than the other. So the Nash equilibrium, I found it right here. That means that, hey, Hawaii increased the price from the luxury hotel. The other, after COVID-19, the other please decrease the price. That's what the optimal solution for the United States after COVID-19 about the hotel. And they work very well. This, the government support the people who want to spend a lot of money to go to Hawaii for luxury, and the other hotel in the United States decrease the price. That's what the key thing right here. And so my come back with here regarding to unemployment rate. You see that the Oahu demand right here, demand right here, and then they come back with here. This is the labor right here, unemployment. Why I use this? I repeat again. Roma, 2018, he said that, oh, this is before Roma solo. He said that, no, this is very independent. That means exogenous variable. But Roma said that, no, there is something affected the labor. This is right here. Okay, the demand for the US and the demand for Oahu affected right here. So again, this paper support the idea from Roma right here. And you can see that the number right here show that it is important, and we can see that an employment rate, the one who demand is affecting the price right here. And summary of this finding. Number one, Masha elasticity about much marginal labor. So thinking about this, thinking about today, why we coming here, tomorrow maybe we go somewhere, but always remember that every day, every hour, if your labor is not create additional, you got right. Masha elasticity, number one. Number two, can is that an effective demand. Effective demand means that if you want something, at least you need to have money, income. That's what effective demand. Even though I want that, but I don't have money, how can you do it? Government, come and support. Okay, so Slutsky, they say that everything they have something income effective right there. Okay, and then finally I have the hotel gross domestic product is together. There will be decreased unemployment. That's what the theory from Oka. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. How many minutes?
Time. Thank you very much.
How many minutes we still have? How many minutes we still have?
15.
15 minutes.
Yes.
See? Yeah.
Thank you.
This is try to remember. Yeah, at least you remember already the shortest presentation.
You
today.
have the proof here
Huh?
because I'm recording. So
Okay.
it's 16 minutes 50 seconds.
15 minutes 50 seconds. Okay. Yeah.
You started before.
Okay. Okay. Please question. Yeah. Please question.
Any question, any comments?
বলুন দাদা কিছু জিজ্ঞেস করুন।
What are the variables in game theory?
Game
What are
theory.
the variables
Yes.
you chosen for your
Game theory.
Yeah. Let's talk about game theory. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Game theory. Okay. Game theory. Like
Because
this.
I am not an economist, I am just an engineer.
Ah.
So from my perspective, what are the variables you thought will be contributing to unemployment?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The point right here is try to get the revenue increase,
Okay. Yes.
maximize increase. So in order to get the maximize increase, so from the representative from Malaysia before, he tried to get the optimal solution
Yes.
for Malaysia. And the same, this is the optimal solution. How can you get optimal solution? Too many benefits. But in order to get the specific, we need to divide into two party. And in the two party like this, if this party go and the other withdraw, there will be this one right here. If all other together, we go together, hey, I compete with you, I increase the price, increase the revenue, together is right here. If one, they say that, no, I withdraw, I continue, increase. And if all the other is withdraw, it's go here. So according to game theory Newman, he said that there will be always a 4 quarter. And if you run and you see that, hey, there will be one place, make the optimal. It means that all the two parties have the same benefit. They cannot go this way. So they use the word like here. Why? Because if you go here, it's 6.75 become 1.6. No, I want is higher. The absolute number. Okay, and this one go 0.9. I don't want it. I want to stay here. But with the other mainland, they say that I try to find another, but this is no. This is smaller. This is smaller. So I will stay here. So both party, one from Hawaii, the other from the rest of the hotel in the United States, they say that yes, I may decrease the price for the all the tourism coming, and the Hawaii said that I will increase the price, and that make what? That make increase the revenue. What is it? Increase revenue? Increase GDP, gross domestic product. Increase GDP according to Ocker. When increase GDP, unemployment decrease 4% from GDP increase, 1% unemployment decrease. That's what I got. Okay, so that's what I focus on the GDP. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And now for our speaker, Alberto. No, Alberto, no.